What's going on, guys? Side Hustle Sidekick here with a video on how you can earn an extra $40 to $50 per month of passive income just by using your phone and playing a little bit of music. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into the video. So like I said, we're going to be looking at how you can make an extra $40 to $50 per month just by listening to playlists on your phone. And unlike a lot of other kind of slimier, scammier YouTubers out there, not to throw any hate or shade, they give you these very shady looking websites and almost make you feel uncomfortable participating in the task because it doesn't even make any sense, right? Well, this is gonna kind of solve that issue for you. If you want to make some easy money just listening to music, it really is just that easy. Now, this isn't gonna change any lives. This isn't gonna allow you to start working from home, but this is a really cool tool that allows you to make a little bit of side income to help, right? So with no further ado, I'm going to just show you my app. I'm going to jump into my screen later, but I'd like you to see a little bit more about kind of that I'm not just making this up. So as you can see here, I've got about 11,000 points. And with that being said, the last time I cashed out was on Halloween, actually. So I'll show you that. Hopefully you can read it. The $10 gift card for PayPal, last redemption was on 10/31. So hopefully you can read that. But with no further ado, we're going to kind of jump into the website and see a little bit more about what it's saying, what's up with it, like what is current music, how do we make money, right? So the website's very, very, very basic. It just wants to give information to the users. This is all about the app, driving traffic to the app. So basically, I want to earn rewards while I'm running. I want to earn rewards while I'm working. I want to earn rewards while I'm listening, blah, blah, blah. That's just kind of the slideshow that they're going to show you. And then you can see they advertise earn up to $6,000 per year just by listening to their app, right? So if we scroll down here, you can look at, like, how do I earn, So the more you pay, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for more updates. Guys, I've only been using this app for about 2 months now, and my first month I did about $55-ish in points equivalent. And then last month I was pretty lazy on it, don't get me wrong, but I still was able to secure $40. And this is without using just the affiliate. This is without using, anything outside of just listening to music like any normal person like you watching this video now can do. So the next thing I like to do before getting into a side gig, like I mentioned earlier, is just to verify, like, what is Google saying? What is Reddit talking about? Yahoo Answers, even though that's not really a thing anymore, right? What is the interwebs saying about this gig that I want to get onto? So if you read this, I just typed in, is current music legit? It's pretty simple, right? And if you read the first, blog post that comes up, final verdict, current rewards app, which claims to earn you money listening to music, is a legitimate app. Keep going down. Does Current really pay you for listening to music? Current is a free Android app that actually pays you to listen to music. There's no catch. Reddit. I love Reddit because you're actually going to hear from other users of the app, right? It is legit. You need a valid phone number to authenticate account. I have been using it for a full month and I'm almost to $80 in PayPal cash outs. First full month, $80. And that was November 29th, 2020. So that was only 11 months ago, practically today. So with that being said, it looks real, it looks legit, and that's what made me hop into the app. And I can vouch for it myself with proof. I've made over $40 per month of the only 2 months that I've been using it, and it's still going strong. But with no further ado, we're going to hop into my phone screen, and I'm actually going to show you kind of how I use the app and what I do to make money and kind of get the most bang for my buck, right? What's going on, guys? So back in my phone here, just giving you an actual walkthrough of the app, and I have it blurred out so you can just tell the icon is purple with a C, looks like the cent sign. So if we open this up, basically it's going to immediately come into a file or a user interface, I guess you may call it. And it's going to give you a bunch of different playlists. You can go from recently played to trending, moods, rap, hip hop, country. Kind of, you can define which genres you like to listen to. And then you're just going to click play and you're going to start making money. And for those of you that are on Android, you do have an advantage because literally while you're charging your phone, you're going to get a 2x bonus on points. I mean, that's awesome, right? So here's your points. You can look at your earnings history. Then you can look at your spend. Like I have 11,800 points right now almost. And to cash out, say, a PayPal card, it's 20,000 points. So every 2,000 points is the equivalent to $1, or every 1,975 points, 1,975 points is equivalent to $1 in terms of gift cards. And I highly recommend going with gift cards over PayPal, because for PayPal you got to get 250 more points, which is about an hour or two of listening. And on top of that, they're going to take 40 cents out on the transfer. When you purchase a gift card, you're getting a $10 gift card for exactly 19,750 points. So that's why I definitely suggest going with a gift card over the PayPal, because if you do this, multiple times a month over the course of the year, that 40 cents and that extra 250 points it costs to get an extra PayPal card over a Amazon or Walmart gift card is going to start to eat up. It might eat up an extra $20 or $30 a year of profit. There's other ways to earn in the app, and I highly suggest these. Now, I call this a passive income app because for me it is. I never actually work on this app. I don't get on this app with the intention of making money. I only get on this app when I'm just trying to have some background music, maybe on a long ride, and I don't really care about what I'm listening to because, hey, this is going to pay me to listen to it, right? But some other cool things are you can actually download apps. Not a lot of these are games, but not all of these are games. And some are pretty simple. So you can see it ranges from getting upwards of 24 or 10,000, 14,000 points to as little as 600 points. And that basically has to do with how difficult the game or the app, what you have to go through in order to actually achieve those points. But just to show you that those are real, I'm going to go into my reward status and show y'all what I've been rewarded. So I've actually gotten a 20,000 point reward for Stash. And just to walk you through that a little bit, Stash is essentially just another investment app where you can start slowly adding money into a plan. And all they wanted me to do was create an account. Now I did have to add my debit card for a $1 per month trial, but the first month is free. So I added my debit card, I went through with the trial, and I canceled the subscription so I wouldn't actually get charged $1. And I was given 20,000 points, which is over $10 worth of points. And in the Stash app itself, I was actually awarded a $5 chunk of stock, which was pretty cool. I mean, I sold it. I'm just going to take that $5 and transfer it over. But $15 for literally downloading one app that took probably 10 minutes, I'd say. 15 minutes max. Some other games are like Coin Dozer. This is a mindless game that when I'm pumping gas, when I'm using the restroom, when I'm literally waiting in line at Walmart, I'll log into this game or a game similar to it for 30 seconds, do what I have to do, and I think it took me 10 or 11 days to collect those 3,000 points. For reference, 3,000 points is about what I earn in a day. So just by playing this game a minute or two a day for a couple of days, a little over a week, I got an entire day's worth more of points. So it's pretty cool. Like you can see, I've been paid out quite a bit. And like I said, some of these are small points. 288 for this weather app. All I had to do was download it and open the app. 1,000 points for MPL. All I had to do was download the game, play it for 2 days, literally log in and play one game 2 days in a row, and I got 1,000 points. So this is a very, very good opportunity for you to make money. Like the guy in the earlier ad from Reddit said, you can make upwards of $80 a month, and with an Android you can make even more because you have all the additional bonuses. You can make money for walking, you can make money for surfing the web, you can literally make money for having your phone charged and playing music at the same time. So that's a walkthrough of the app. is pretty cool. Two things that I didn't really mention were the fact that you can share your opinion, you can do surveys, but I just don't recommend surveys because these are not worth it. There are a few survey apps that I believe are worth it. This isn't it. And you can watch a video, but that takes away from the passive side of things. You have to continuously watch these videos, but they are very high payouts. You get like 15 points for like a 30-second video, and that's pretty huge because I think I only get about 6 to 10 points for a 3-minute song. So those are some other ways you can earn on iOS. On top of that, you can also refer your friends. So if you got, let's say, a group of 10 friends and just 2 or 3 of them listen to this app and start using it to earn money, you're not only going to get 500 points per friend you sign up with your referral code, but you're also going to get 5% of everything they listen to. So it's a really good app to make a little bit of money. It's not going to change any lives, but I definitely wanted to give it some insight because honestly, it's one of my favorite applications to make money on their phone. There's so many apps that say they'll pay you money. You make money just by downloading that app and letting it run in the background. And I've tried so many of them, dozens and dozens and dozens. But this is my favorite app to date to actually earn money on my phone. $50 a month for letting it play music? Come on, that's ridiculous. And guys, thanks for watching. If you made it all the way through, you were awesome. Please feel free to click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I love to answer any question you may have. And yeah, that's about it. So this is Side Hustle Sidekick, and until the next video, I'll catch you later.